Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Blood supply. Blood supply of ovary. Ovary is supplied by ovarian artery, which is a branch of abdominal aorta at L2 level. Venous drainage. Venous drainage of the ovary is by ovarian vein. In the ovarian vein, on the left side of the ovarian vein drains into the left renal vein and the right side drains into the inferior vena cava. Nerve supply of the ovary. Nerve supply of the ovary is by ovarian plexus. Lymphatic drainage of the ovary is by para-aortic lymph nodes. Contents of
thank you and thank you for watching.